Welcome back. Now that our site and our settings have been completed, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the courses area. What we're now going to do is we're going to click New Course. Once we do that, we're going to give our course a title. And we're then going to give our course a subtitle. Now you're going to have authors that you have set up prior to coming to your course area. And you can go into the drop-down menu to determine who the course author is going to be. Once you do that, you can do one of three things. You can start with a blank course template. You can start with an existing mini course template, or you can work with a standard course template. Now in this video, we are going to start the process by using a blank template. And once we select blank template, we're then going to click Create Course. When you come to this page, you'll notice that your course starts with a section and an existing lecture that you can configure. You can also add in a new section, and you can add in a lecture to the session that you're working with. So what we can do first is we can change the section to what we want it to say. Once we do that, we can then click this button. That will then have our section named. What we can then do is we can then alter the first lecture to be what we want it to be in terms of the title. So what we can do is we can then name the first lecture. And once we click to save, what you'll see here is you have the ability to either duplicate this lecture, you can make the lecture downloadable, you can then make a free preview of this lecture, and you can publish the lecture. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to add content to the lecture, and we can do that by clicking on top of the lecture. And basically, once we get inside of the lecture, we can then add the file that we want to be part of the lesson. Now assuming first that you're going to be uploading video to your lecture, you would then be able to do that from your folder and drag and dropping it inside of the area where it says drop to unload. And so to do that, we're just going to drag this video content into the area that says drop to unload. We're going to make sure it is uploaded fully. What you're going to notice then is that you have a file there for your video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.